Accepting job applications online makes the hiring process easier for everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a CV application form for your business and gather job applications online. In order to gather resumes and other information online, you first need a form, and that's where Forms app comes in. Once you hop into Forms app and go to the Templates page, you will have many form templates to get started. We will use the CV application form template in this video. You can find its link in the description. After opening the template, you can now add specific questions or edit the existing ones. These questions can be about the applied position, salary expectations, current address, and so on. You have to make sure your form has a file upload form so that applicants can upload and send their CVs. After you are done with questions, simply switch to the Design tab and change how your form looks. You have many options to change your form design. And if you don't want to spend too much time on it, you can always select a theme and move on. Lastly, you can check Form Settings, preview your form, and go to the Share panel. Many sharing options are available here. You can create a custom URL for your form to share it on every platform possible, print out a QR code for flyouts, or embed the form on your website. That's it! Now you can start creating your own CV application form by visiting the template link in the description. Subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos to learn more about creating forms.